The future of home decor is here. Are you ready? Watch this video to see how AI is transforming home design. 1. Interactive smart mirrors. More than just a reflection. Imagine a mirror that gives you the weather, beauty tips, and even decor ideas. While you get ready, AI-powered smart mirrors analyze lighting, suggest outfits, and show virtual room makeovers in real time. 2. AI digital frames. Art that changes with you. Forget static wall art. AI-powered digital frames display new artwork daily, match your mood, and even sync with your favorite music for a fully immersive experience. 3. Smart AI lighting, mood and magic in one. AI-powered lights change color, brightness, and warmth automatically based on your mood, time of day, or even the weather. Want a cozy vibe? AI dims the lights. Feeling energetic? It brightens up. No switches, just pure ambiance. 4. AI smart planters. Let nature thrive effortlessly. No more MTA by Liza worrying about watering schedules. AI-powered smart planters monitor plant health, auto-water, and adjust lighting to keep your indoor garden thriving. Your plants will never suffer again. 5. Sound-responsive wall panels. Let music paint your walls. Imagine walls that react to sound. AI-powered panels change colors, patterns, and brightness based on music, voice, or ambient sounds. Your walls literally come alive with every beat. The future of home decor is here. Are you ready to upgrade? Comment below with your favorite AI decor tool.